Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Roy and I belong to Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics in 2014 and today I am so delighted to share this news that I have been selected in Dev IT Sir as an L1 desktop support engineer. So for it is for Gurgaon location with 2.64 LPA. So it is very overwhelming to share my experience with you people that a few months back I was trying to get a job in IT sector. So one of my friend suggested me to take an internship program from Evision Technoserve that is totally based on networking and system administration. So I contacted to Evision and took part in the internship program. So basically, they offered various modules in the training program, which is totally equivalent to the real-time infrastructure, IT infrastructure, and it consists of basic networking and advanced networking as well. That is CCNA, Windows administration and server, Linux and cyber security basics, ITIL, and apart from this, HR interview guidance and preparation session also there. So at first I was so nervous for how I would manage to learn all the new stuffs and technologies, but after I found to see that I was getting comfortable with the new technologies and understanding and learnings, and it was all because of the well trainers over there. So I would like to mention one more thing is that for any candidate, it is very important to present their skills and learnings appropriately in front of others. So what I learned from the well trainers, so it made me fearless to present myself in front of others and for the interviews. So I would positively recommend it to the fresher and the people who see themselves to do something in IT sector. So before finishing my words, I want to acknowledge that I am so thankful to Evision HR team, placement team, and admin support team for being with me throughout the journey from my admission to the placement, and also wish you all colleagues a very good luck for the future. Thank you.